Hey everyone, Sasha here.
Adam here.
Niv here.
Phil here.
Today I'm excited to introduce you to the new Microsoft 365.
Over the years, Microsoft Office has always adapted to the evolving needs of the subscriber, helping improve productivity around the world.
As you may know, Office has been part of our lives since 1989 and has expanded from the Office software for work to a productivity suite that empowers your whole life.
As our world becomes more and more connected,
Office has strived to evolve with our subscribers, ensuring we provide comprehensive solutions to your everyday needs.
With all the changes and growth in the world today, Microsoft understands that there is more to life than just the Office.
And that's why we're launching the new Microsoft 365.
Microsoft 365 is the best way to stay connected with family and friends.
Office productivity and cloud connectivity, the best of both worlds in one place.
New name,
More benefits.
Same price.
What do we mean about more benefits? We're introducing some great new ways to stay connected and productive with things like Microsoft Editor and premium content, and so much more.
We'll be going into detail on many of those amazing benefits later in these videos.
Also, if you're already an existing Office 365 subscriber, we've got you covered.
Your subscription will automatically transfer over to Microsoft 365 at no charge.
you'll get to keep all your favorite apps as well as getting all the cool new features to explore.
Being a subscriber has its benefits.
Microsoft 365 is a new chapter in the legacy of productivity from Microsoft.
We aim to continue this momentum from empowering your work life to empowering your whole life.